Bulbs offer exceptional brightness, with a remarkable output of 16,000 lumens providing superior illumination on the road. Ideal for the front auto part position, these bulbs are designed with precision to ensure optimal performance. With a brightness of 40000 lumens, these bulbs deliver a powerful white light that enhances visibility and safety during nighttime driving. The high-quality T2 bulb shape ensures a focused beam pattern, effectively lighting up the road ahead. Manufactured by Torchbeam, a reputable brand known for its innovative lighting solutions, these bulbs are built to last. With an operating life of 50,000 hours, you can rely on the durability and longevity of the Torchbeam T2 bulbs. The compact design of these bulbs makes them easy to install, providing a hassle-free upgrade to your vehicle's lighting system. The 12.6 ounces weight and compact dimensions of 5.79 inches, 5.59 inches, 3.23 inches ensure compatibility with a wide range.
Powerhouse of lighting efficiency, boasting an impressive 24000 lumens of brightness. Designed for optimal performance, this bulb is suitable for various auto parts positions in the front of your vehicle. With a color range of H11/H8/H9/H16, it offers versatility to cater to different lighting needs. Manufactured by Yike Opto Electronic Co-LED, this bulb is a reliable choice for those seeking longevity, with an operating life of up to 50000 hours. The Model R3 bulb is crafted from durable aviation aluminum, ensuring durability and resilience to various conditions. At a weight of 13.4 ounces and dimensions of 6.3 inches, 5.12 inches, 2.72 inches, this H11 LED bulb is compact yet powerful. The 12 volts voltage requirement makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, providing a hassle-free installation process. Overall, the Yike H11 LED bulb stands out for its exceptional brightness, long operational life, and sturdy construction. Whether your
are a top-tier choice for enhancing your vehicle's lighting performance. Developed by Nylite, a renowned brand in the automotive industry, these headlight bulbs offer a perfect blend of quality and functionality. Equipped with advanced LED technology, these bulbs emit a bright white light that significantly improves visibility on the road, ensuring a safer driving experience for you and other motorists. The 12 volts voltage requirement makes them compatible with most standard vehicles, while the specific use for headlights makes them a direct and efficient replacement option. Designed with precision, the Nylite 9005 H11 LED headlight bulbs are crafted to last. The durable construction and sleek chrome exterior not only add a touch of style to your vehicle, but also guarantee long-term performance. Weighing just 1.04 pounds, these bulbs are lightweight and easy to handle during installation. The package dimensions of 6.3 inches, 5.47 inches, 3.1.
Brightness of 16000 lumens and a wattage of 80 watts, these super bright LED bulbs with a fan ensure optimal visibility on the road. With a sturdy build and a voltage of 12 volts, these bulbs are designed to enhance safety and style simultaneously. The extended operating life of 50000 hours guarantees long-term usage with minimal maintenance, making them a cost-effective choice. Crafted by Cross Passion, a reputable manufacturer known for quality automotive products, the 9007/HB5 LED bulbs prioritize performance and durability. Weighing just 6.7 ounces and with dimensions of 5.16 x 3.82 x 1.85 inches, these bulbs are easy to install and fit seamlessly into front auto parts. The model number 9007 and manufacturer part number 051YS Lin signify the product's authenticity and compatibility. Whether you're cruising city streets or
Bulbs by Sealight are a reliable and high-quality lighting solution for your vehicle. Designed for optimal performance, these fog lights are a great addition to enhance visibility in various driving conditions. Technical details. Brand Sealight. Specific uses. Fog lights. Item package quantity 1. Color white. Fit type universal fit. Auto part position. Front, operating life, 50,000 hours. Manufacturer, Sealight. Model, fog lights. Item, weight, 7.8 ounces. Product dimensions, 4.33 inches, 4.33 inches, 3.15 inches. Item model number, 5202/5201/PS24W. Exterior, painted. Manufacturer. Part number, 9868 LFG 577 LUS. Special features, waterproof. The Sealight. 5202 LED fog light bulbs offer a long operating life of 50,000 hours, ensuring durability and longevity. The universal fit design makes them compatible with a wide range of vehicles. The white color output provides a clean and modern look while improving visibility on the road. With a focus on quality,